How to use Motion app for project management. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Motion app. So first of all, you have to head over to Motion site here. Now here you can see few features here, like features, use cases, pricings, carriers, etc. Login or try Motion for free. So let's tap on to try Motion for free. Now you have to answer some questions. For example, how many team members do you plan to have using Motion over the next 6 months? So I'm gonna tap onto just me, or gonna tap onto between 2 and 14. Then I'm gonna tap continue and we have to wait. Now you can see that here you can try Motion for free and you can use these methods to log in. So the first one is you can use your email address. As always, you can find this option on any sites, and there is sign up with Google options, sign up with Microsoft options, sign up with Apple options. So to make this video shorter, I'm going to tap on to sign up with Google. You just have to choose the preferred method that you choose or prefer the most, and then you just have to log in using that method. And as you can see, I am being logged into Motion. So these are the Motion's features. For example, Pro AI features, you can try it, you can try them for free. For example, I'm going to tap onto Pro AI and then I'm going to tap onto this option. Now you have to enter card number, expiration date, your country, your security code like CVC. Then lastly, you have to tap on to start 7-day free trial. So this is how you can use it. There are other options available, for example business AI and enterprise. You just have to choose your plan, and then you have to choose your team size, and then you can just go with it very easily. Just find the one that you want to go with, and then you can just go and use Notion very easily. So wait, let the page load. Okay, let's go back, and here you can see the pricings as I just told you. $19 per month, $29 per month. There are carriers, other options. For example, here you can see them. You can choose their contact sites from here and etc. If you have any questions, you can just ask them right from here, and you can just ask them. So that is pretty much it about basic things about Motion. You can use it and then just can log into it. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care.